This time we're Lauderdale, room A1 through 30. Next to the seats 31 through 60. 8 near the window.
Cleverly marked with overhead signs and track lighting on the floor will also lead you to an exit. In the seat back pocket in front of you, you'll find a safety information card. Please note specifically on that card, in the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the strap, open the container, remove the pouch, open the pouch, remove the vest, place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, and buckle it in the front. Once outside the aircraft, you can inflate it by pulling down on the red tab to manually inflate it below into the tube at your shoulder. At this time, we're coming by to make sure your seat belts are fastened, seat back and tray tables are in their full upright locked position, and all your carry-on luggage is properly stowed underneath the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet clear. This flight's a non-smoking flight. Smoking is never allowed in an aircraft lavatory. Federal law also prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector or web camera in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations also require passenger compliance with all lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions regarding seatbelt, smoking, and safety. The oxygen system. If needed, 4 yellow oxygen masks will drop from the overhead compartment. Immediately pull down on the mask in front of you until the plastic tubing is fully extended. This will activate your flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. The mask may be secured with the elastic strap. Please be aware that the bag may not inflate, but you will be receiving oxygen. Those of you traveling with children or sitting next to someone ignoring me, please secure your mask first, then assist that child or the person. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a uniformed crew member. Alright, that's enough do's and don'ts. Sit back, relax, and enjoy our short flight to Fort Lauderdale. Flying time is scheduled for 1 hour 40 minutes, gate to gate. behalf of this Orlando-based flight crew and Southwest Airlines, welcome to Fort Lauderdale. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated, keep your seatbelt fastened, all your carry-on luggage properly stowed until the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate and the captain turns off the overhead fasten seatbelt sign. Folks, use caution when you open the bins. Items do tend to shift around during the flight and can fall out. If you have a connection here, just deplane, check the monitors in the gate area for your appropriate gate and flight number. If you are continuing on with us to Jacksonville, please remain seated. Alicia will come to the back, count you as a through passenger. Once we have an accurate count, she'll make an announcement. You can get up and change seats if you need to. If you're going on with us to Jacksonville, please remain seated until we get our count. It's been a pleasure serving you all today. We know there's a lot of choices out there in air travel. We thank you for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. Have a great evening. Buckle up, drive carefully. Come back and see us again real soon. Take care.